Hey guys, so we're a sports family and we seem to get injuries. So I picked up this 50 pack of instant ice packs from All Set Health. Just wanted to show you one because they're super handy to wear around with you. So set the box down. This is the pack itself. This is the 4x6 inch size. So keep that in mind as you're looking at ordering them. And then to activate, you just squeeze, and it is instantly now cold, ice cold. So if you've never seen one of these before, they get cold for a while and then they wear out and you toss them. You obviously want to wrap them in something depending on how used to icing you are, but it's always great to throw a couple of these in the duffel bag, and if somebody gets something tweaked, you got ice there, not having to wait on the facilities folks. So if you're looking at them, that's what you get, and they work perfectly. This is now ice cold. Yep, so anyway, hope that helps. Thanks.